Alright, so thanks for joining me today. Today I'm just working on a little wood project here. I've got quite a few projects that I want to get done woodworking wise, and this one is a little airplane shelf. So this is was rough cut cypress, and then we planed it down and cut it. I think it's 36 inches here, and got it all rounded off the edges. Drilled 1/2-inch holes here for these vertical pieces, and it turned out pretty good. So if you like this this little project, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget, YouTube now is kind of going through trying to find out who's really a real channel or who's somebody's spammer. So the subscriptions really help a lot. They're looking for 1,000 subscribers. There again, this is a small channel. I'm not concerned about having 1,000 people following me every day. This is not my primary income, but having that income come in a little bit, it does motivate you to continue to improve your video quality and continue to do better in your editing, and to keep coming up with good projects and things to keep putting out there and showing people. Some of my other videos about fixing my car, apparently it's helped a lot of people, and that's wonderful. I'm glad I was able to do that. But all I need is a few of those folks that have watched those videos just to hit the red button. That's going to be down there. If you see the little icon, you can touch on that and hit the red button too. It just helps me out, helps me to stay, be a YouTube partner if I can get to 1,000 subscribers. I have the watch time thanks to those other videos, so that's not a problem. But if you like these videos and think I'm doing a decent job, please hit that red button and hit the thumbs up too. And if you want to see more or know more about this little airplane shelf, go ahead and comment there, and if I get enough comments, maybe I'll build another one and take the camera along with, and show you exactly how to build one. Completed airplane shelf with the wheels installed and the propeller all installed, and the tung oil is pretty much dry here, so it's almost ready to hang up on the wall. So yep, thanks